Say bye, Big Ledge. She's gone. She's gone. What's good, man? It's your boy B, man. I'm back with another video, man. This is a good video. This is a long awaited video, man. But it's gonna be a process. So I don't know if this is gonna be like a two-part video or just one big video, but we gonna figure it out. But make a long story short story shorter, man. The time has come, bro. The time has finally come to at least see what's wrong with the car. As y'all know, man, and for those that are new, I own a 1994 Acura Legend GS Type 2. It's been a car that's been on this channel for 2 years and some change. Bought the car end of 2020, around October 2020. And, you know, pretty much took y'all on the whole journey of the car from start when it was the green rust bucket to where it is today, being that maroon colored car that everybody on social media somehow, some way has seen, especially in the JDM community and the old school 80s, 90s enthusiast world as well, man. Appreciate all the love and support that I've gotten from everybody, even through the down times with the car. But yeah, man, it's we got a chance. We got a chance. So basically what's about to happen is I'm pretty much about to get everything situated with the car now. Y'all remember from the last video, well, no, not the last video, but one of the last couple of Legend videos. I know there's been a couple since this event. I ended up catching the flat, tire ripped, car been sitting on the spare literally for months ever since. So I'm about to, you know what? I ain't even gonna just explain it while sitting here. Let's just go see the car real quick. Let's go see the car and then we'll continue from that point. All right, man, let's just take a look at the car, man. Y'all know Big Ledge. I washed it since the last time y'all seen it. I got it outside again. I washed the car, drove it around just for a couple of blocks that day and put it back up. So it's been at least, I don't know, it's been at least about 2-3 weeks since that happened. But yeah, man, Big Ledge, she back looking decent. Man, I just finally updated the insurance card in this car about a week or two ago. I got the tags for the car. But I haven't put them on. So I got to put the tags on. And then, like I said, I'm sitting on this spare, bro. So what up, bro? What you barking at? Stop it. Shh. But yeah, man, like I was saying though, got the insurance card in here, got the tags, but I haven't put them on the car. And then, like I said, I'm on this bogus spare still. So what we gonna do, which is why I didn't explain, the car is going to Sacramento. It's going to Sacramento. It's going to James Mai. I mentioned him before. Some of y'all know him as like one of the Acura Legend, one of the Acura Legend guys for real under the hood of these bad boys. He also known as like one of the top 3.5 swap pros. You know what I'm saying? He could probably do that shit in his sleep from what I heard. So, you know, we're going to take it to him. Reason being is because, you know, I just trust that he knows everything that can be done to make sure that my heads are still solid, because I have a feeling my heads is still solid, bro. Like still to this day, I haven't had no crossing of fluids, you know what I'm saying? No smoke, all that stuff, man. And to be completely honest with you, every time this car is overheated, I've never actually felt it being hot up under this hood. Like it still be cold as hell up under the hood, fans still be running, everything still be cool. So I don't know, man. I have this gut feeling that it ain't nothing major wrong with this car. Like I feel like it's just a temp sensor or something crazy, or a stuck thermostat or something. Like I don't think it's nothing wild, but you know, we got to get in the shop finally to confirm. So I'm gonna take it to the shop. we gonna claim that these head gaskets are still solid and that it's just nothing major wrong with the car. And if he gives me the green light on that, then cool. My plan is to go ahead and get whatever's initially wrong with it fixed. I'm assuming it's going to be one of these items that I'm trying to have him do while it's there. You know, I want to get my timing belt water pump done. I want to get my thermostat done along with the temp sensor switch. Of course, get all my fluids changed out, get the oil changed. I want to get my EGR tube cleaned for sure. I don't know about the intake manifold because I'm not working with a whole lot of money right now, but I'm trying to piece together something to get this car back on the road for myself and for y'all, man. I know y'all miss this car, so I put a little something together, man. I put a couple of thousand together so I could try to see if that can get us back on the road. And, well, we're going to see what happens. Like I said, if them head gaskets are still solid, then we got a solid chance, bro. So I'm wishing for the best, for real. But, yeah, the car is going to get towed to Sacramento. But I kind of got to finesse that. I got to tow it to my mama's house first, then tow it to Sac. I'll explain all that to y'all at another time. But I can't drive back with that. See, I'm claiming that this car going to be fixed and we're going to drive it back home. So I got to put two of my stock wheels and tires in the back, put them in the back seat, and then I'm going to see if James can just go ahead and mount my stock wheels on so I can drive the car back home. I'm going to be looking crazy. You feel me? I'm going to be looking crazy doing 100 and something miles on two stocks and 219s. But you know what? That ain't the point. We just going to be glad that the car back running, man. And then from that point, of course, I'll follow up with getting two new tires on my rims. And basically, because I have a slight camber in the front, see the inside started wearing quicker than the rest. And essentially, I guess it just gave out to where the tire finally gave out. So we're going to get that taken care of and go from there, man. And then, shoot, there's something going on with the MDX too. Let me tell you all about that. Got something going on with this too. I ain't gonna lie, man. I slipped up. I ran up on this little like concrete median, and it didn't scratch my wheel, but like I ran up on it. And so ever since then, I don't know, I just been feeling like the car ain't been riding right. So I got my wheels rebalanced and all that stuff, but there's still like this slight shake that you feel for sure around like 80 on the freeway. So I just want to make sure everything cool. So it's going to the dealership tomorrow to have everything checked out with the the ball joints, CV, boots, tie rods, all that stuff, had that check. Because I'm about to actually put this thing on the road to LA in a couple of weeks, man. So we need the MDX to be all the way right. So, we're going to go ahead and get that in the shop. Make sure all that is looking good, man. And so we got a lot going on between this evening and tomorrow, but we're going to get everything back situated. That's for sure. Man, I'm just so excited though, y'all. Like, I know obviously it's still a question mark in regards to the car. At the end of the day, like, we don't know if the head gaskets are shot. We don't know anything. I'm really just trying to keep good spirits right now about the whole thing. And, but I think for me, I'm just happy that I even have a chance to even put it in the shop. Cause outside of being a YouTuber and outside of being a car enthusiast, man, I'm a father first. I'm a husband first. I'm a provider first. So at the end of the day, all this stuff has to come last. And I got to make sure the household is situated. I got to make sure life is situated. You know what I'm saying? And literally all this is on me. Y'all know me, man. I've been doing this YouTube thing for years and I ain't seen a dime. I ain't seen a dime from YouTube yet. I'm eligible though. I am eligible finally. My channel did get monetized, but my channel got monetized literally as soon as the legend broke down. So boom, all the content that was really bringing everybody in was gone. But it's all good though. One thing about life, you never know what's going to happen in life. All you can do is just play the cards that you dealt. And you feel me? what defines a man is not what happens to him, but it's about how they react to it, how they respond to it, how they handle it. You know what I'm saying? So I just play the cards I'm dealt and just try to keep it moving. That don't mean that shit don't frustrate me. That don't mean that shit don't make me mad. You know what I'm saying? That don't mean I don't get discouraged, but you know, you can't cry over spilled milk though. At the end of the day, it's either you can do something about it now, or if you can't, then you know you got to charge it to the game and just get back to it when you can. Basically, that's it. So that's what happened with the legend, man. I had to really sit the car down and I had to handle life. But we here, you know, like I said, I ain't got 3.5 money, no. But as long as them heads is solid, then we got some type of chance for something money. You know what I'm saying? And I'm going to go ahead and take a chance at it and see what happens. You know, luckily this AAA situation is free. So, you know, at least I won't be paying for towing. Worst case scenario, you know, I pay James for whatever his diagnostic fee is and we bring it home if it's something outside of what we got going on and we just keep stacking up towards whatever we need to do. Or, you know, best case scenario, the heads is solid. And what's needing to be fixed is within range of what I got in my pocket. Hopefully could do some, you know, extra maintenance on it so we don't run into this problem again no time soon. And we get back to the content, man. That's the hope. So I need y'all in the comment section, man. I need prayers, good luck, everything, man. Let's bring that positive energy towards Big Ledge, towards this situation. Let's get things back on the road. So, you know, so I can enjoy the car. Y'all can enjoy the car. We could get back to a lot of things, man. Also kind of realized I think I was the battery pack that was putting everybody in regards to getting these legends outside when it comes to my brothers, man. Cause you know, when my legend was outside, we was all outside. Like, you know, like Ajima, he been had his legends years before me. But you know, little bro got one now. So, you know what I'm saying? So boom, we back outside. And then C4, man, you know, he had wanted one too, just like me. Man, he kicked it up, man. He went and got one. We was outside, man. Pops, you know, Pops been had his forever and a day. But I know he was unmotivated with his. So, you know, I think for a second, me having mine and us getting back outside, it had him back motivated for a minute. So everybody was outside. We was in them legends. And y'all was seeing it. Y'all was seeing it on video, whether it was on YouTube or whether it was on my Instagram or the BBS Boys Oakland Instagram. Y'all was seeing it and y'all was loving it. And we appreciate it so much. I tell y'all, man, I texted them guys just a few days ago. And this sparked from a conversation from my brother out in Baltimore, man. Shout out my Baltimore cats, man. My boy Troy, man. Shout out to you, bro. Out there in Baltimore with the Baltimore BBS Boys car chapter. You know what I'm saying? He called my phone, checking in on me the other day. And, you know, just had my mind sparked, had my mind running. I'm like, man, like, you know, we got to get back out there because they've been doing some big things, man. Shout out to Baltimore, man. Y'all been showing up and showing out, man, for the culture. Like, for real. Y'all been showing y'all ass on these boys. Like, for real, y'all got some heat, nigga. Like, y'all got some heat, nigga. It's no denying it. Like, Baltimore is coming with that shit, bro. Like, they cannot be stopped, and I support it. I support all my car club brothers, though, man. All the chapters, man. I know I'm gonna miss a few because there's so many of us, but you know, shout out us in Oakland, of course, man. You know, we cousins, man. Shout out Detroit all day, man. Shout out my Detroit cats out there, BBS Boys Detroit. Of course, shout out the home team, Jersey. You know what I'm saying? Reg and all them, man. Shout out Baltimore, of course, Florida, Massachusetts. Can't forget Massachusetts, man. I know I'm forgetting some, but shout out all y'all guys, man. You know, I ain't talked to y'all in a little minute. I've been kind of down and in the cut, trying to figure things out with life and all that good stuff. But I got this energy in me, and I got something in me that's telling me I'm about to be back outside in a major way. And you know, I'm looking forward to it, y'all. I ain't gonna lie, I really am looking forward to it. But yeah, though, I was talking to my boy Troy, man. I was talking to my guy, and you know, it made me spark this conversation. I text all my guys from our chapter. I'm like, man, look, we really had something kind of going with these legends and with this car club. What's up, man? Summer 23. We back outside? They said, yep. I said, all right, bet. So, you know, we trying to we're trying to go ahead and put these puzzle pieces back together, man, and bring that big picture, man. Bring y'all some movies, man. So I'm looking forward to what's to come. I have a good feeling about things right now. I'm in a good place financially right now. Like it's been a lot of stuff I've been working on in the cut, trying to get things put together, man. So you know, I'm a lot of things right now. Like I'm nervous, anxious, excited, all at the same time. I really want things to start working out again, man. Cause you know how life is. Life go up and down, up and down, up and down. You know, it's never gonna be all good forever, and it's never gonna be all bad forever. That's just the reality. But you know, it definitely had tried to tumble, man, tried to crumble. It did. It tried to take me out. It really it tested me as a man for sure last year. So you know, like I said, I'm just happy to be able to start picking up the pieces. And one of the main pieces that I'm trying to pick back up is this goddamn Acura Legend, bro. I'm trying to bring this thing back. I'm trying to be back on the road. I'm trying to bring back content for y'all. I'm trying to do it moving, man. So this is just one of the few things that I'm trying to put back at the forefront. And you know, like I said, bring the legend back, bring this YouTube content back. You know, and not just bring back the YouTube content, but bring back content I'm passionate about. I feel like that's what drove y'all here. Y'all knew that I was passionate about that legend. Y'all knew I loved this whole culture, man. Yeah, man, I'm just excited, man. I'm excited. I'm anxious. Like I said, man, I'm just trying to go ahead and make something happen, man. I'm not just trying to bring back any content. I'm trying to bring back that real content, that real shit that y'all expect from B, man. You know what I'm saying? From being with these legends, man. You know what I'm saying? So that's the type of time I'm on, man. I appreciate y'all supporting in the meantime while I'm trying to get everything together. And that's it.
Say what's up, buddy. Say what's up. Say what's up. Say what's up. No? Okay, yeah. Give him a little, you know. Yeah.
And let me introduce y'all to somebody real quick, man. And let me introduce y'all to somebody, man. Say hi, mama. Say hi. Yeah, the newest edition, man. Say hi. Hey. Yeah, that's right. If y'all wonder what I've been doing, man, shit, being a dad, being a husband, girl, that's it, man. But we got this legend started. I actually just got some good news. I don't have to try to finesse and tow this thing to my mom's house first. I'll get back to y'all in the morning when it leaves, man. Show y'all the goodbye to Big Ledge. And hopefully we'll be driving her back home. You know what I'm saying? All right, y'all. She's going bye-bye. Say goodbye to the bad guy. Yeah, man. It's time. Big Ledge is on the way out, man. Big Ledge is on the way out. Let me get out AAA's way. Take one last look, y'all. All right, y'all. That's it. She's all locked in. Big Ledge is going bye-bye, man. Until we meet again. If I wasn't trying to worry about no copyright, I'd put in that Wiz Khalifa song for y'all, but we ain't doing that today. Say bye, Big Ledge. She's gone. She's gone.